Surprised you could read absurd. Did you cure your stupidity? A bunch of minds got scrambled together. It's possible she'd write a stupid challenge like this. Makes sense. You got a point. Someone's there. Don't underestimate us! What do you think you're doing, Noda? Ah! Ref, she should get a red card for that! Who do you think you are? I'm counting on you, TK and Otonashi! Sweet! Whose side are you on? Hinata! And against Yui. Let's keep this to ourselves.
Ta-da! So, you know what time it is? Golden time! That's right, starting tonight, in fact, starting right now, moves to a brand new time, every Wednesday night at 7:27. This is your lucky day, I mean night. Whether you're a long-time devoted fan or just tuning in for the very first time. So now, here to get the party started is our brand new theme song! Jeez, what's your problem? Can't you see the show is starting? So without further ado, it's... Oh, great! Now you tell me? What a disaster! What are we gonna do? I already told everybody... Look at me! I can't just... the hell with it!
I gotta dribble past 5 people and score a goal! Just like Maradona. So you cave. Kick off! Alright, let's play volley, you guys! Move it, loser! Sweet, I got 5-1! There's the second one! Hi-ya! Safe! I'm not done yet, guys! That's 3! You're the last one left. I'll get a goal even if it kills you! Who cares about that? Prepare yourself for my ultimate move! Killer Guillotine! Huh? It went in! Yay! I did it! I did it! I dribbled past 5!
Impossible!
That's impossible! Ah, you! Perfect timing! What are you talking about? Yeah, about that. Pay attention because this is big. It's finally been found. The legendary blue-silver vine! No! Blue-silver vine! It's legendary! Silver vine enthusiasts from around the world have spent lifetimes pursuing this elusive plant, and most have never seen it. You just made fun of me, didn't you? You did, I know it. No, I know that face. You're thinking, I never expected someone as sophisticated as her to be excited about something as simple as silver vine. So cute.
Okay, I can assure you whatever I thought was nothing like that.
Oh, please. Don't bother trying to hide it. Anyway, what I'm gonna need from the 3 of you is to head out to a remote part of the Kaka clan territory. Are you serious? To get me the blue-silver vine, of course! My catnip pops are just about to run out, so I can't help but feel as if finding this now was somehow destined. I have a 3-day supply left. I expect you to acquire and return with the blue-silver vine by then. Also, no pressure, but it's not an exaggeration to say that my body has adapted to only absorb nutrients from catnip pops, so this is a life-and-death situation. I'll die, obviously. I'll fall asleep and never wake up again. And mark my words, if I die, then I'll haunt the 3 of you until the day you die. What? How could I be satisfied with mediocrity, knowing that perfection exists? Don't forget, Tager, I'm the only person who actually knows how to perform maintenance on you. If I go down, I'm taking you with me. Glad to see we're all on the same page. Now fly, my minions! Don't come back until you've got the blue-silver vine!
Murakumo unit is now online. Verifying new subject. Subject identified as identical. State your name. I am Boundary Interface Prime Field Device, number 12. State your name, Identical One. You are an anti-Sankishin core unit. Unit description. Boundary Interface Prime Field Device, number 13. Anti-Sankishin core unit. New. Your existence is a paradox. Recommendation self-destruct. Negative new. Self-preservation prioritized. Analyzing. 12 is an identical unit. Proper course of action. Elimination. Confirmed. Commencing extermination of subject. Over! Come forth! What's going on here? This girl, why am I fighting her? It's like I'm shooting out of reflex. Continuing assault until target is destroyed. How is she still standing? No! Why won't she go down? Leave me alone! Repair protocol engaged. Arming pedals. Am I gonna die?
Peppy, come in.
What's the matter? Molten again?
Very funny. You've got hitchhikers on the Great Fox.
Huh? What?
Looks like they're trying to smash up your hull. Hold it! They just jumped on the missile. Let's just take it out. Whatever, I'm wasting that thing. Whoa, they survived. Looks like this one's coming in hot.
I bet they'll jump on this one too!
Can't blame them. Fighting on a missile would be a blast. Why don't you just admit it, Fox? You want to join the fight down there, don't you? Come on, it just grazed you. Man, these bugs are getting on my nerves. Scared of a little challenge, Fox? But it won't hold up for long. That was a close call.
Missile approaching. It is targeting the gate.
Sure would be nice if we could do a U-turn here.
Will the shield hold?
It will on my watch. Any missiles you manage to shake off might hit one of us, or the gate. Those things can do serious damage if they hit you.
A hotshot flyboy who's kind of a handful, but also one of the best pilots I've ever met.
Ah! Dang it! Ah!
Having a tough time there?
Huh? Hey, what are you?
Hold still. It's just
Cut
the
it
new
out!
visor I
Get your hands
invented.
off of me!
Oh, come on, just try it.
All right! Guess there's no rest for the best.
We're counting on you.
All units, report.
I'm fine.